Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is some pipe wrap that I got from DEI, that's Design Engineering Inc. They're in Avon Lake, Ohio. And I got this because I've been having a problem with my starter getting heat soaked. My car would start okay when it was cold engine, but when I tried to start it when the engine was hot, the starter wouldn't turn over very well. This is a 427 motor in a Corvette Z06, and they're kind of known for that problem because they locate the starter right next to, within like an inch of a catalytic converter, and I guess they didn't have any place else to put it, but still, the problem exists, and I am going to wrap this tape, this wrap around the exhaust pipe. I've already done the cat converter with another product from DEI. Now I'm going to do the pipe. This kit comes with, this one is 25 feet? 25 feet of wrap, 2-inch wide, and they give you 4 stainless steel clamps. They're too small for my car, but you can put 2 together to make double the length of them. And either I'm going to do that, or I'm going to use some of these. These are left over from the catalytic converter. I'm going to call it a blanket almost. It's a really thick, heavy piece, and I think I'll probably just use those for convenience, and then I'll just buy some more. So here I am under the car, and I'm going to try and I'm going to wrap as much as I can of this. I might have enough to do the whole thing in between the first cat and the second cat. On a 2013, they've got secondary cats right there. So let's get going. The wrap does come with instructions, and they recommend a quarter. Is it a 1/4 inch or a quarter inch overlap? So that's what I'm going to try to do. If you look at the picture here, you can see about a 1/4 inch overlap on there. Since this pipe is not out in the open, what I decided to do was feed a bunch of loose loops around the pipe like that, and then I'm going to move them up here, and then I'll do a finish wrap going back that way. And by then maybe this roll will be small enough so that I can just pass the roll around the pipe, because there's more room down here and there's not too much up here. Of course, wouldn't you know, there's an O2 sensor right back there, basically, yeah. So I think I'm going to have to do 2 separate wraps, or I'm going to have to try to go around it somehow. Well, what I ended up doing is feeding it that way loosely, so I got a wrap around the O2 sensor without having to do 2 separate wraps. So I just fed it all the way up to there. Sorry, the focus is... This camera doesn't focus too well up close. But there you go. I think you get the idea. So I got 2 stainless wraps there. Cut them short, fold them back in, and then I just tapped them to flatten them out so that they're not sharp. And then I'm going to do 2 on the other end. Okay, well, that's going to be about it. I got a little glare coming in from the garage door outside. Sorry, but so there's that little spot there where I got to go around the O2 sensor, but I got that end all the way up there, and got this end all the way up there, except for maybe 1/2 inch or so. Tie wraps on both ends, and I'm going to take a little. Make sure you snug these up good and tight, because you don't want this stuff walking around, and then you'll lose your wrap. And then I'm going to take a little hammer and hammer those down. I just tapped them with the pliers, but I'll just hammer them a little bit. So that's it. That's my first attempt at wrapping an exhaust pipe. Hope this helps you out. Looks like some real good stuff from DEI. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out, and subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe. Have fun. Froggy out. Bye.